Okay, hello everyone. So we will go to the fundamental of front-end developer. Okay, today I learned about the event loop and some very foundation of JavaScript. You know what? Even I have some years working as a front-end, even full stack, but something I haven't know that it exists. That's why I forgot it, because you know what, in all the working time I haven't touched on this knowledge. I learned it, I studied it a few years ago. However, I never touched on it. That is the reason why I need to learn it again. Right now, I will learn it again. Okay, so we will focus on event loop. What is event loop? Let me explain. JavaScript run on single thread. What does it mean? That means it will execute function operations one by one. So how it can handle it? How it can handle if there are many requests, many operations? So it will use one thing is event loop. You can see event loop here. Event loop like a manager. The JavaScript will run on the code stack here, and it always run from it. So event loop will check if the code stack is empty. It will push one by one to make sure the main thread non-blocking. So how can it work like this? I want to share that now. JavaScript always run asynchronous function immediately, like console log. Yes, like console log. Then some function asynchronous, like set timeout, fetching. It will run later, run on the background. Yes, and when it finishes, it will tell the event loop that I finished, and then event loop will push into the code stack, and right here, and then in the case it cannot run immediately, it will push it on callback queue. Then callback queue will run inside. Okay, so how event loop can arrange or order the execution? It will use, you can see here, in the event loop we have a micro task with promise micro start, something like that, and then we have a set timeout, interval, set immediate. So what does it mean? It means it always run all the micro tasks first and then come back to macro task. Yes, so we can return here. We can see how it will run. Okay, first with the scenario we will run console log first immediately, and then run script, and after that we run promise 1, promise 2, then set timeout. Let me see. You see? So overall, we need to make sure that we can understand the micro task and macro task queue. Yes. Okay. There in future something is really concerned here that because the JavaScript, even Node.js, only run one by one, so how can it handle a heavy task? This task can make the UI freeze. So how can fix it? We will have web workers. We will use web workers. So what is web workers? Web worker is like function operation with its own event loop. It runs separate with the theaters. Yes. It cannot access the DOM directly, and it communicates with the main tier by sending message. Okay, now let me explain it for you. You have a website, you have a feature that a user can upload their photo, 5 or 50 pictures at the same time. So what thing can happen here? The UI has been freeze. How can we handle that? Okay, at this time we use web worker? No, not yet. Only use web worker when they want to set width, height automatically. After upload the pictures, at this time we will create a function like a web worker when automatic do it. During the time, user can click on another button and can do with anything with the one with the UI. So by doing that, the UI can, the main theater still work. Yes, still work. Why? Web workers do their task, and when it's finished, it just inform the main theater that I'm done. At this time, we can show the product. Yes. So this is a summary about the event loop and web worker. Thank you.